And now, First Warn 5 weather.
6:40 this morning, and everybody is cold. And we're actually one of the lucky ones, sort of. It's also 46 in Austin. Usually Austin's colder than us. We're kind of hanging out about the same temperature. But notice here, and this spot right in here, notice how temperatures are colder here. And this is where that rain-snow mix, if not all snow, is falling. The thing is, this colder air, if it's here, is going to be working its way down to the south and into the valley. And we're going to have these temperatures early tomorrow morning, and that's why we are expecting a rain-snow mix as well. All right, we're going to go hour by hour, starting at 8 a.m. this morning, where we're going to have scattered showers around the valley. This model might be overdoing it just a little bit, but keep in mind, if you're not even seeing a shower, it's still going to be drizzly and misty, a messy day like we saw yesterday, except even a little bit colder. And feels like temperatures in the upper 30s. All right, we might catch a relative break around lunchtime today. Just isolated showers, still drizzly and misty though, and lots of clouds. We're not going to see the sun today. 5 o'clock, notice those scattered showers. Again, not a washout of a day completely. It's going to be off and on showers, but have the umbrella ready throughout the day in case you encounter some of this light rain. Still rain as we get into the evening hours. But starting at midnight, that's when our rain-snow transition starts. But in far northern Starr County, everywhere else, it's still rain. So if you're standing out in McAllen looking for snow at midnight, you're not going to see it. It's going to take a little bit longer. Let's go ahead another 3 hours. 3 a.m. tonight. That's when you might start to see that rain-snow mix in the McAllen area, maybe around Weslaco as well. But in Brownsville, it's still going to be all rain. Temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer as you get out towards the coast, and that's going to make a difference. That means that overall, again, our period we're talking about here is from midnight till 9 a.m. During that period, you're going to see more rain than snow as you're down to the south and east. Now, up to the north and west, where that snow started first, it's going to be more snow than rain. It may end up even being all snow in far northern Starr County and Hidalgo County. That's the general rule. The farther, if you live over here, you're going to see the most snow. If you live down here around the island, in fact, you may not see any snow at all. I'm thinking you're just going to see rain. Now, let's jump ahead to 6 a.m. The other thing I want to point out, since we're talking about snow, 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 don't plan on making any snowmen. Don't plan on any snowball fights. This is not 2004, okay? Most of this snow is going to melt. The only place we're expecting accumulation, maybe up to an inch on grassy surfaces, is northern Hidalgo County and Starr County. That's the only place. Nowhere are we expecting accumulation on roads. We're not expecting any icy spots. And again, for most of us, you might see snow, but it's not going to stick. It's all going to melt because temperatures are just a little too warm. Now, we jump ahead to 9 a.m., the snow is over. Any precipitation that's still out there is going to be rain because our temperatures are going to try and warm up. We'll be getting into the 40s, and that's too warm for snow. Now, there may still be some isolated showers around lunchtime tomorrow in the lower valley, isolated rain showers. But notice, the clouds starting to break up. Finally, late tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see the sun. And that'll be a welcome sight after this nasty, nasty weather. It looks like we're going to be clearing out pretty quick. All right, now this is a recap of basically everything I just said. I'm going to step out real quick. There might be some accumulation in far northern Starr County and Hidalgo County, only on grassy surfaces though, and only up to an inch. Everywhere else, no accumulation. However, you may see more snow than rain tonight around the McAllen area, Edinburgh area. Starting in Weslaco, though, and working our way to the southeast, it's going to be more rain tonight than snow, so don't get too excited. You'll see a few flakes, I think, but not going to be a whole lot. And then if you're out by the coast, I don't think you're going to see any snow. It's going to be a little too warm out there, and it's going to stay all rain. So, to recap, with all that information, I know it's a lot, scattered showers during the day today, windy. 47 are high, but feels like temperatures, the wind chill, in the upper 30s. Gusts to 35 miles per hour. Tonight, until midnight, it's all going to be rain, but those temperatures are going to be coming down. And so after midnight, the rain will transition to snow. Again, the farther north and west you live, the more snow you'll see. If you're close to the coast, you won't even see that snow. It's also going to be very cold. Temperatures dropping to the mid-30s. You factor in wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. It's going to feel like the low 20s very late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Bundle up, bring the pets inside, maybe even bring some of those tropical plants, those sensitive tropical plants. Bring those inside as well. And we have another cold morning on Saturday morning. Friday, we're only getting up to 49 because the clouds are going to take a while to break up. But I do think we'll see some sun late in the day Friday, after that rain ends in the early afternoon. It's still going to be a chilly day on Saturday. We're only going to get up to the mid-60s, but lots of sun. And then we see more improvement from there. Upper 60s on Sunday, and temperatures, though lows will be in the low to mid-40s, a little bit below normal for this time of year, we're going to see high temperatures return to the 70s, which is actually pretty close to normal.